new car. What me say, my baby new car. So you want me know we are gonna get her out of the house now. Celebration I go kick her. What me say we are gonna celebrate. What me say brand new dream car. You hear that? Brand new. Wait until you see it. It's not normal. When me say money I spend around here. Happy wife, happy life. Them death. Talk no man. Wait for the phone. Right now, your husband have a big surprise for you right now. You see me? Yeah. So, turn the camera up on your car. Let me talk to the camera for a second then. Guys, for man, if you're on the road, she don't know say me have a plan for her. She think me not have a Christmas present for her. You understand what I say? But guess what me know no? You know your boy always come true. Talk them put it on her, put it on the bunny there. My bunny, cheer up no man, not because baby, I want to carry you outside and show you your gift. You understand? But guess what? I don't know more of your blindfold. You see me?
From morning you gone.
But baby, easy no man. Turn on the fire then. Yo, Papi show.
Legit.
Me a blindfold me baby right now because me have a present for sure.
Yeah.
When me don't want, she know what. Come
No,
on baby, come on, turn
Take it from me.
Me don't want me not mess up your eyelash then, but you see me, I got you. Alright, my general, short milk. Tell me if it's too tight. Tell me if it's too tight, my baby. It's too tight? It's not too tight. Alright, yo.
Too tight, cool?
Yeah, put that, let me get go for your jacket. Don't move, because I don't want you to drop. I don't want you to drop. Hold on, don't move. Hold on there, wait. Don't want you to drop, my baby.
You turn on the stove right ago?
Yeah, man, we are turning everything to the nitty gritty. Put it in your hand. Hold on, wait. Right on. This done. We're Moscato them there. We're Moscato them.
Champagne, there was champagne.
Yo, boss, bring a Moscato them. We are celebrating. Bring a Moscato.
Come on.
So guys, a Moscato, we are Moscato it down. So go on down the road the video, man. Hold on the cars. One camera can't make this right, you know. Alright, my brother. So one camera can't make it right. So go on, but want me leader. No, press it, make it right. I think it's not.
So careful, get blindfold.
Yeah, man, I don't want you to see it. I don't want you to see it. Don't want you to see it, you know. Turn on the light downstairs so she know. Jack, come, give me a hand. Give me a hand, give me a hand. I put you up on the railing. I put your hand on the railing. Come. Mr. she covered you see, man. Yo, and if it's $1 million weight for you, sure. Baby, remember things to talk about? Oh, I tell you, I really have a big surprise for you. Then? Well, come. Yeah, come now, come. I'll give you one next year. Well, one more step. When you hear me say step, you step. You see me? So what you think? What do you think is your present, my baby? Come. Come. You tell me where to step. Hold on, man. Hold on. Give me a hand. Wait. Come. Step down. Come. Yo, get the champagne ready now, brother, man. Popsy, bust the champagne. Come. Just come. Let's go over there, see, man. Alright, stop right here, so turn around. Put your hand right here. So.
No, I can't.
No one leg on your hand, but you can't pull off the blindfold, you know. No one leg on your hand, but you can't pull off the blindfold. Feel again. Yes. But listen, more leg on your hand, you know, but please. Don't take off the blindfold.
Yeah.
We want to ask you how you feel on the camera before you take off the blindfold and everything, you see me?
Yeah.
Because you feel your vex. Stop touching. Yeah? Where's champagne? Bust the champagne, man. Pull it. Brother, pull the champagne, bro. God, may I tell you, pull it. Don't hold her hand because I don't want you to take off the blindfold. Alright. Don't make the excitement go down, baby. Don't make it go down. I want me to tell them things we can't come through. We're big.
Big.
Ease off a little bit more. That was big boy. I want me to tell you when them see new Benz park up at John Star. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. I was just lying. My baby. Them don't know what go on. John Star. The champagne. Pop the champagne out your cool. It'll go warm when you see this. Want me to tell you, my baby?
Pop the champagne.
Hold on, come right here, sir.
Yes.
More you spray it on the car before you even.
What's by the car there?
See, car in front of you. Hold on, now. Take off our blindfold. Hold on there, bust the blindfold. Nobody run up and down now. Run up and down. Champion! Merry Christmas! Champagne, Poppy. So what? Give me a hug. Come on, hug me up, no man. Hug me up, man. No, give me a hug, Terry. Give me a hug. I want to deserve it. I'm the one. Tell them me are the one. Me are the king. King.
Let me see how I'm
No. Drink champagne.
I'm more convertible.
Guess who's
Guess who's scared? Yo, you look like, you look like the convertible.
Yeah.
Yeah. What kind of question do you want me to ask?
So how you feel about it?
How you feel about the whip? Eh?
Yo, I say, you better make this big car. Guys,
You have a
all
bad
morning.
Christmas.
Oh God. You know the house just a cook, so.
Yeah.
More ask the car.
We are not. Talk them man, more you tell
More
them.
see the car.
We know you're going to see the car, but more you tell them. As you can see, my director, my work hard and I save. Like when I say I save my baby, enough hunger I go through. Like the days when I there work, the 7 days and the 24 hours them when I work, just believe you me, this is where I work for.
So let me see the
So
car
here
now.
we are going now. We are blind.
No man, Kerry. No, I'm not joking.
Yeah, man. Come here, man.
Kerry, these are the best gift you ever get in your life.
Come on.
Boy, you feel out This the are camera. life. You pull it off in the
Give me a finger. Bend down.
Yes, somebody.
Bend down. Get all up the string.
See that
Yes. Lift it up.
Where's champagne then?
Where shall she have the champagne? Lift it up.
Lift it up. Lift off the car. Lift off the car. Lift off the car.
Feel.
Feel it. Chris.
What a ride! That's amazing! I'm weak! Yeah! Big Benz park up, I know Bugatti.
Post up, Nike. Post up.
Yeah, baby! Kerry, come here, baby. Baby, come here. Babes, come here now. Babes, come here, you can't do that. Baby, you can't do that. Yeah, you can't do that, baby. Come here, hush. I'm so sorry, come here. Come here now, baby. I'm so sorry about it. Come here. Yo, this wicked on the Christmas, we not tell a lie.
Do it.
Baby.
Do it.
What you say?
Upper?
Yeah. Is that no, we all lock out the store. Can we leave the pot on the fire? We are.
So everything off of this.
We are to that you know this serious. you are you know that serious, my baby. Wait, hold on, my baby. You know that serious. What? You know, go back home, go look for the bed. Yeah, guys, this is not a good turnout. This is not a good turnout. Baby, I'm sorry about it. I didn't have to catch you about it. I'm so sorry about it. I didn't have to catch you about me, baby. I'm not tell a lie. This is worthwhile. What was the team who? What was the team who? Team Miller!